Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So we need to put about u equals to x plus 1 to the power of 2. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have to multiply by x plus 1 dx, because if we do first derivative of x plus 1 to the power of 2, so we have number 2 will go in here. Later that number 2 minus 1, you got about number 1. That's why we have x plus 1 to the power of 1 dv. We have cosine 2x dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 2 sine 2x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So we have number 2 divided by 2, you got about number 1. And then we have the integration x plus 1 sine 2x dx. So the next one we can use about integration by parts. Now we can use about u equals to x plus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0, because this is about the constant. And you have dx. dv, we have sine 2x dx. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign in here. Negative with negative, you got about positive, and we have 1 over 2. And we have the integration cosine 2x dx. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 sine 2x, and then we put about sin here. So this one, we have 1 over 4 sine 2x. Later that we have the negative sign here. Negative with negative, you got about positive. Negative with positive, you got about negative. This is the end. Thank you for watching.